Hello everyone, I am Thamizharasu, your business coach. Today I will guide you through the transformative power of technological advancements in the manufacturing industry. Our world is continuously evolving and so is the way we produce goods. So let's delve into the technological revolution sweeping the manufacturing landscape.
1. The rising importance of automation and robotics in manufacturing. Let's start with automation and robotics. These two technological advancements have significantly optimized the manufacturing process, reducing human error, and increasing efficiency and productivity. They have enabled the industry to meet the ever-increasing demand for products while maintaining stringent quality standards. 2. The impact of artificial intelligence, AI, on manufacturing processes. Next, we have artificial intelligence. AI is not just a concept of the future, it's here, making a remarkable impact on manufacturing processes. It helps in predicting demand, enhancing quality control, and reducing downtime, thus revolutionizing the manufacturing industry. 3. Role of 3D printing in revolutionizing manufacturing industry. 3D printing is another game changer. It has transformed the way we visualize product development, as it allows for rapid prototyping, customization, and cost-effective production. 4. How Internet of Things, IoT, is transforming the manufacturing landscape. Now, let's talk about the Internet of Things. IoT is seamlessly connecting machines, people, and processes. This connectivity is providing real-time data, which is crucial to efficient operations, preventive maintenance, and swift decision-making in the manufacturing sector. 5. Benefits of implementing big data and analytics in manufacturing. Big data and analytics are the backbone of smart manufacturing. They provide valuable insights that drive efficiency, reduce costs, and streamline operations. This data-driven approach is changing the way manufacturers operate and compete. 6. The influence of blockchain technology on supply chain management. Blockchain technology is not just for cryptocurrency. It's establishing transparency, traceability, and security in supply chain management. This is enhancing accountability and reducing fraud in the manufacturing industry. 7. Virtual reality and augmented reality, new era in manufacturing design. Virtual and augmented reality technologies are ushering in a new era in manufacturing design. They are enabling manufacturers to visualize, simulate, and test their ideas before production. 8. The power of machine learning in predictive maintenance in manufacturing. Machine learning is powering predictive maintenance in manufacturing, preventing expensive breakdowns, and ensuring seamless operations. 9. Cybersecurity challenges in the tech-driven manufacturing sector. Lastly, as our reliance on technology increases, so does the need for robust cybersecurity measures. Manufacturers need to be vigilant against cyber threats to protect sensitive data and ensure smooth operations. Thank you for joining me today to explore the influence of technology on the manufacturing industry. Remember, the future belongs to those who embrace technology, so let's move forward together. Before we wrap this up, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful discussions on business topics.